Chitchat English.
Hi, could I speak with Alice, please? Speaking. What's up? I've been trying to get in touch with you all day. My apologies for that. I've been busy cleaning. That's all right. So, what was your reason for calling? I was wondering if you're free to hang out tomorrow. Yeah, that sounds great. What do you have in mind? How about we catch a movie or something along those lines? That would be enjoyable. Count me in. Great, I'll see you tomorrow then. Looking forward to it. Bye. Today's weather is nice. Yes, it's nice today. It looks like it might rain soon. Yes, I hope it rains. Why do you hope for rain? I like how rain makes the air clean. I like that too. The air smells fresh after rain. True, but I love how the air feels at night after it rains. Oh. Why? Because the stars look so clear then. That's great. So glad you could make it to my party. Happy birthday, dear. I brought you a little something. Aw, thank you so much. You really didn't have to. What is it? It's just a little something I thought you might like. Open it! Wow, this is fantastic. I've been wanting to read this book, thank you. I'm glad you like it. So, how does it feel to be a year older? It's not too bad. Just grateful to be celebrating with friends like you. Well, I hope this year brings you all the happiness and success you deserve. Thank you, that means a lot. Having you here already makes it special. Let's enjoy the party. Hey, you look sad. Is everything okay? It's hard right now. Do you want to talk about it? Just a lot of work and problems. I feel too much. I'm here for you. You can tell me anything. Thank you. Maybe I will talk more soon. Let's have coffee this weekend and talk. That sounds good. Thanks for caring. I'm your friend. We can help each other. Thank you. It's nice to have a friend like you. Have you heard the news? What's going on? Our cousin gave birth to her baby last week. Really? How come I wasn't informed? I assumed someone would have mentioned it to you. No, this is the first I'm hearing of it. Yes, she had the baby, weighing 8 pounds 6 ounces. Wow, that's wonderful news. Are you planning to visit her and the newborn? Yes, I'm considering it. Great. I just wanted to make sure you knew. Thank you for letting me know. Did you hear the great news? No, you've yet to share it with me. Earlier this week, I was promoted at my job. Really? Absolutely. I'm over the moon. Well done on the promotion. Thanks a lot. I'm thrilled for you. Truly? Absolutely. You earned that promotion. You believe that? Without a doubt. Guess what I heard today? I have no idea. What's up? Remember Mark from our math class? Yeah, what about him? He just won a national chess tournament. Seriously? That's impressive. Right? He's officially a champion now. That's fantastic news. I had no idea he was that good at chess. Me neither. He's been playing in competitions for years, it seems. We should congratulate him the next time we see him. Absolutely, I'm sure he'd appreciate that. Thanks for sharing. It's always nice to hear good news about friends. No problem, I thought it was too cool not to share. Definitely, it makes me want to pick up chess again. Did you notice the new girl at school? No, I haven't seen her. She's quite attractive. Can you tell me what she looks like? She's not very tall. How tall would you say she is? Around 5 feet tall. But what's her appearance? She has beautiful light brown eyes. I think I might know who you're referring to. Oh, so you've spotted her before? Yes, I've seen her. My mother is the most beautiful woman in the world. Really? What does she look like? She has long, shiny hair that feels very soft. That's lovely. What about her eyes? Her eyes are warm, like honey in the sunlight. She sounds very pretty. How does she dress? She dresses very stylishly. She's great at mixing colors and designs. Sounds like she has a great fashion sense. Yes, and she's also very graceful and sure of herself. I'd really like to meet her sometime. She'd be happy to meet you. She's very welcoming to everyone. Your mom sounds wonderful, both on the inside and the outside. Why weren't you at school? I felt ill. What kind of illness? My stomach was hurting. Has it improved at all? I'm not feeling well yet. Do you need anything for your stomach? I've already taken some medicine. Hope you recover soon. Thank you very much. I acted in a movie. That's amazing. Well done. Thank you. It was hard work but fun. I'm sure it was. I'm very happy for you. It's nice to hear that from you. You should be proud. Acting in a movie is big. I still can't believe it. Enjoy this moment. You did great. Let's celebrate. I'd love that. Thanks for your support. Always. It's great to see your success. You're doing great things. You look great today. Thanks. I just picked up this outfit recently. Oh, where did you find it? At Macy's. It looks fantastic. Appreciate it. You're looking good yourself today. Thanks. I actually got these shoes just today. Really? What type are they? They're all-star Chuck Taylors. Those are cool. What did they set you back? Around $40. Sounds like a deal. I might get a pair for myself. What movie do you like the most? The Hangover is my favorite. Really? Why do you like it so much? It's the most hilarious movie I've ever watched. I agree. It's incredibly funny. Have you seen it? Yes, I went to see it on its opening day in the cinema. It made you laugh non-stop, right? I couldn't stop laughing. Absolutely. I laughed so hard I cried. Same here. I've got it on DVD at home if you're up for watching it together. Sounds good, let's do that. Hello, how are you? I'm doing well. And you? Quite well, thank you for asking. How have things been on your end? Things have been wonderful. And for you? All good here. Currently, I'm attending school. Which school are you attending? I'm at PCC. Are you enjoying it there? It's decent. The campus is quite large. Best wishes with your studies. Thanks a lot. What hobbies do you have in your free time? I'm into drawing and painting. Really? You can draw and paint? Yes, that's right. When did you start learning? It started in high school for me. So, you took art lessons? Exactly, it was my favorite class. It sounds like you're very talented. Thank you so much. I wish I had a skill like that. I believe you have your own special talent, it might just need to be uncovered. Wow, look at all these beautiful flowers. I know, it's hard to choose just one bouquet. What do you think about these pink roses? They're so pretty. Yeah, those are lovely. And over here, these sunflowers are so bright and cheerful. Sunflowers are nice too. But I think my mom prefers roses. I'll go with these pink ones. Good choice. And don't forget to add a nice card to go with them. Oh yeah, that's a great idea. Let's see if they have any cards over there. Sounds good. I'll help you pick out the perfect one. Did you hear about Jessica's party this weekend? Yes, but I haven't received my invite yet. Strange, she handed me mine today. Probably she'll get around to giving me mine by the end of the day. Planning to attend? Likely. It seems like it's going to be great. I'm really looking forward to it. Do you know when it's supposed to kick off? The party's at 8 p.m. And how many people are invited so far? I'm not certain, but it seems like not too many yet. I'm hoping to get my invitation later today then. Hello, how are you? Is Jasmine available? This is me. What's happening? Why didn't you pick up the phone earlier? Sorry, I was busy with some household chores. It's okay. So, why did you call? I was thinking we could do something together tomorrow. Sounds interesting. What do you have in mind? How about we try out that new cafe downtown? Great idea, let's do that. Looking forward to it. Talk to you later. What music do you like? I'm into a variety of music genres. Like what? Mainly rock and pop. What draws you to those genres? It's the instruments they use that really appeal to me. That's a great reason to enjoy music. Appreciate it, I think so too. Were you at the basketball game last Friday? No, I wasn't able to attend. It was an excellent match, you missed out. Is that so? Who came out on top? Our team won. We put up a fantastic performance. I regret missing it. I had other commitments. Indeed, you should have seen it. It was thrilling. What was the final score? It ended 101-98. Wow, that sounds like it was a nail-biter. Exactly, it was the highlight of the game. I'll definitely try to catch the next one. I appreciate your visit today. Don't mention it. I've been missing you a lot. The feeling's mutual. Then why didn't you make an effort to visit? I've been swamped with work. Busy with what? Just work. I would have visited earlier, but I was caught up with work as well. What have you been working on? I've been tied up with work tasks too. Anyway, I'm really glad you could make it today. Same here. It was nice seeing you. Are you leaving already? Yes, I must go now. Why? I wanted to spend more time together. I have things to do. Like what? Just some personal stuff. Oh, okay. I understand. I'm sorry, but I really need to leave. All right, I guess I'll see you next time. Yes, let's meet again soon. Goodbye.